Hello everyone, here we are back at working on Lisa's bike, getting ready to take the back wheel off, get the tire changed out, put new tube tire on it, sprockets, chain. Haven't made a video in a while, so figured we better get one out made. Kind of been slow going. Been real busy here lately, so haven't really had time. So here we are. And just follow along and see what happens. Hello.
Hello.
Okay, and we'll set you up right there. Oh. You hold that on that side of there.
It's too big. It doesn't fit that nut.
Nothing?
No. This is small.
Let's see what I get. I didn't need it. Okay. That worked out alright. This has got a block nut on it. Isn't it? Oh, I need a hammer. Hammer.
It's moving.
Loosen the chain tighten. There's two nuts on it.
The front one or the back one? Do you want me
Go.
to loosen?
Go on this one.
The front one.
Yeah, the front one.
All the way loose.
Yeah, just loosen it up real good. Don't take it all the way out, but just loosen it up real good.
Okay. Is that fitting supposed to come out?
This one? Looks like that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just keep it in place.
Lift up the.
Pull on.
I am pulling everything that I have.
Well, we need about another 5% more would help. Yeah, another 5% more would be good. That's all you gotta give. Just joking.
I know.
I
Uh-huh.
thought it was hilarious.
Go, wood bug. What do you need?
Wrench. The wrench that I give you. Look, just like that. Oh! So it's currently Memorial Day weekend, and we're working on Lisa's bike. We really didn't do a whole lot this year. Hope you all are having a fantastic weekend. Unfortunately, Mom's got to go to work tomorrow. But I sure do wish I was one of those guys that could just look at a nut and know exactly what size it is. I think I figured it out. I think it's a 13. No, it's not. Okay, it makes it much easier. What the heck? Well, oh yeah. Now we're getting somewhere.
Yeah, that chain looks pretty bad.
That chain's been bad for a long, long time. It's been bad for a long, long time.
What are you taking off over there?
The brake. Oh. Where'd that come from? That goes in there.
Yeah, like on your bike. It goes in between here and there.
I know. I'm just testing you. I'm sure you knew. Okay.
I'm gonna take the chain off on this side. Or not yet.
No, not yet. I gotta get all this out of there.
Can't wait to hear it start again.
Yeah, it'll be something. Hear the old girl start again. Sure will. Need you over here a second. Or maybe not. Does not want to come loose. Over. There it is. Whew. Okay. This goes. I'm gonna take that off too.
Look at them. She's out there with them.
Oh, is that what it is?
Turkey. Yeah.
Okay. Now to roll that chain off, huh?
Okay.
Okay, here's one tire. Okay, now I gotta find the master link in the chain. Take it off. I'm on the wrong side for that, I believe.
What am I looking for?
Oh, the master link. It's kind of hard to explain. It'll look different than the rest of them. It'll have like a little slide clip on it. Goes in there like so. Oh boy. Oh boy.
What?
That don't look too bad.
Get in there.
Unplug that cord right there, plug the grinder in, and pick up the camera and move it while I ground here. Okay, you can plug that back in. After I cut it, I'll find it. Okay, well, there's that one. Oh. Oh. Your little the ratchet and give me the socket that's on it. Go to the smallest one. Second row up. Yep, right there. Might need the next one down. Yeah, I need the next one down and the extension for this.
Where's the next one down?
The
This
one right back. Yeah, right there. And the extension. And that's it. Well, that ain't gonna work.
Now it is.
Shut this side of that door. The glare of the sun.
Oh shit.
Don't worry about those. Just leave those out. They're gonna fall out anyway. Stack them up in a pile. What?
Nothing.
Let me see your that little socket right there in front of you, and that gun. The gun over here. The gun's over here. Give me a second. I'll help you out here. Bless America.
Oh, maybe I could get it on there. I just didn't know how to. Somebody to get it. Oh dear. He just hurt his finger.
Yeah, you can get it now. Ah. Her bike bit me. Bit me right across the finger. That really hurts. Come on, Turkey, get out. You know what we got to deal with? You know what we can't get undone? We got 3 dogs and a dang turkey right in the middle of the road. Oh dear. We got all kinds of stuff happening here. Put the new front sprocket on. That's cool. It needed it. We got a new back sprocket, which is what she's working on now. And we'll break down the tires, get them out, get them off, get the tubes out, put the new tubes in, put the new tires on. We got to do the front ones. Probably get brakes for that. We got to do the tubes on the front. Got to fix the tubes. Redo all the brakes and the clutch cables. New gas lines. It's gonna be fun. Is there an outside and an inside in there on that?
No.
How do you know? You sure?
Yeah.
There is an outside and inside to that. That's on the outside. What is it, dual? Huh. Look at that.
Oh, would you look at that?
Would you look at that? Fits right on there.
Mm-hmm.
All right, we're gonna go ahead and I think break down these tires, at least get the tires off, tires and tubes off, and get these wheels cleaned up, painted. Oh, there we go. God love the beat breaker. This tire is really bad, really dry rotted, bad. Times to get a WD-40.
Here it's stuck to that.
Yep. Okay. Gotta get my other bar. Ouch. There went the other
Inner tube.
There went the tube.
She's shivering.
Sucks, I didn't want to. I seriously didn't want to bust that tube. I did, a bunch of big hole in it.
Well, good thing we got a new one.
Anyway, That's how you get a tire off.
Okay.
All right, we got one side off. Got the tube out. This one here should be able to. This one. It's kicking my ass. Kicking my ass. Hit me that hammer in there. I won. There you go. For those of you people who've never taken off a tire by hand, come on. Anyway, if you've never taken a tire off by hand, I say don't do it if you don't have to. But I don't mind. I'm cheap. I'd rather do it myself. So I ain't paying somebody $7,500 to do that when I can do it myself. It's a little more work, but anyway. Now we're going to take and get all this cleaned up, get it sanded down, fresh coat of paint on it, get it all cleaned up real good. Probably won't paint it until after I get the tire back on because I don't want to scuff it up. We'll get the new tire on later and put it back together, and we'll have one tire done. So, I'm running out of battery. So you guys, wish you a happy Memorial Day weekend. Hope you all had a great time. And I hope y'all are going out and finding your own adventures. Record it. Let people see. You know, maybe you can inspire somebody else to go. So, anyway, see you on the next video. Next video will be probably us putting this back together, putting it back on. So, see you guys.